The autumn session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly before the elections had commenced today, the 9th of September 2022, wherein 3 days have been marked for business sessions, while the next 3 for private member sessions. During the start of the first day's session, obituary references were made to prominent leaders whom the state and the nation had lost in the past 6 months. These include late Robert Kharshiing, late J D Rymbai, late Sing Mulieh, late Alvbnstone M Sangma, late R G Lyngdoh, late Talik Kunil Bashir, late B B Gurung, late K Shankarnarayan, late Pandit Sukhram, late Ramesh Ladke, late Tota Singh, late Shivaji Patnaik, late Prayar Gopalakrishna, late Rajesh Gupta, late A G Korji, late Babu Rao Pacharne, and late Subhash Singh.
Now we come to item number 15, obituary references. Chief Minister, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in the last 6 months since we last met, the state and the nation as a whole have lost prominent leaders. Among them are late Robert Kharshiing, who was the former Rajya Sabha member, late J D Rymbai, the former Chief Minister of Meghalaya, late Sing Mulieh, the former MLA of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, late Alvbnstone M Sangma, a former Minister of Government of Meghalaya, late R G Lyngdoh, former Home Minister of Meghalaya, late Talik Kunil Bashir, a former Lok Sabha member from Kerala, late B B Gurung, former Chief Minister of Sikkim, late K Shankarnarayan, senior legislator from Kerala, late Pandit Sukhram, former Union Minister from Himachal Pradesh, late Ramesh Ladke, an MLA from Andheri, Mumbai, late Tota Singh, a former minister from Punjab, late Shivaji Patnaik, former MP from Odisha, late Prayar Gopalakrishna, senior Congress leader and former MLA of Kerala, late Rajesh Gupta, senior BJP leader and former MLA from Jammu and Kashmir, late A G Korji, former MLA of Karnataka, late Babu Rao Pacharne, the former MLA of BJP from Maharashtra, and late Subhash Singh, former minister from Bihar. And sir, out of these great leaders which the nation and the state have lost, 5 belong to our own state, sir. And each of the individuals who we have lost in this last 6 months, the 5 individuals that we have lost, the leaders who we have lost from Meghalaya, have been people who have contributed immensely to the state, to the people of the state, and also they've had a relation with all the different members of this house in one way or the other. And I don't know if I'll be able to do justice standing here today to be able to pay a fitting tribute to these great souls, to these great leaders who we have lost.